Wow, yeah. Alright, so we're debating on which truck can pull which. Yeah, Toyota and a Dodge. And this is really happening. This is really happening.
Hey, where you want to hook to your receiver?
Scott, where do you want him to hook it to?
Make sure it look up axis.
So hooking it up to your hitch.
Okay.
Whoever loses gets the other person's furniture. My dad's in the Toyota, so we're getting new couches.
Wait! Oh, I always wanted to do this! I always wanted to do this! Let me do it! I always wanted to do this. My hand goes down, boy.
So we're getting what?
Huh?
What are we getting?
Standing with the furniture.
And you're sitting where?
Huh?
You're sitting where?
I've got like 3 sets of living furniture, so I'm gravy.
You can have ours.
Huh? It don't matter. No, do you have it on? It don't matter. But do you have it on?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. No.
No, you don't?
No.
You don't?
No.
Really?
No. It don't matter. We didn't have no rules. Oh.
Whoa.
We didn't have no rules. We didn't have no rules.
No rules, you're right.
You did it.
You're right.
All right.
I got you a brand new set of time furniture.
No, you don't.
No, hell no, I don't. You're getting it.